happening? Everybody stay calm.
I need you to sign this for me.
You know, watch your mouth.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass.
Happy birthday!
Don't move.
Wait. Everybody, God.
Where'd you go? Peekaboo, I found you. Where are you?
Yo, Peanuts, my lord.
Sit.
Lie down. Roll over. Good girl.
That's it. You're no longer allowed to sleep on this bed because all you do is lay here 24 hours a day and don't do.
Do you see this right now?
Oh my god. Okay. Call, please. Thank you. Can I get a whisper? Oh, that's not a whisper. Can I get a whisper?
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it
Get the bugle. Get it, Skylar. Get it.
Get what?
Get
I
it.
don't see nothing. Where is it?
Get it.
My eyes.
When I don't have any question marks around, so I'm definitely just sticking to that. And that's
No, it's not a treat bell.
Dude. Do you want to lay down? How about you lay down, kiddo? Yeah, go ahead and lay down.
Stay. 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 Okay. Yeah, good boy.
You do? Go see Nancy?
Oh, is it? Is it too big for you? Oh my gosh. What?
Oh, you did bite it. Yeah.
What you doing?
It's too big. Riley, that's too big. It rolled away.
That's a great haircut. No, it's a good looking dog. Trust me.
Oh, that breeze feel good. Yeah, it does.
These ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
Max, what exactly have you done? You look like you're a little stuck.
Use your words. Use your words. Oh my god!
Aber Hormone altså jeg ser det ikke, vel? Altså
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
For the camera. Smile. You're so handsome. Cooper, wait, move your hand.
Vlogs, but we're gonna try it out. Alright, buddy, this is your time to shine. No? This is
I think he's wading across. Oh my god, he is wading across. Oh my god, he's such a good boy.
Sharks, our invention is called It's a Dog Walks Dog World.
Why? I'm so confused.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. He.
Yeah, I'd like to make sure it's real. Step this way, please. Hey, come on.
Sit. Give me a hug. Oh boy.
snake.